Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show a missing battery icon on your taskbar in Windows 10. So if you notice your battery icon is missing in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get it to come back. So we're going to start off by right-clicking on the taskbar and select the taskbar settings at the bottom of this menu. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath where it says turn system icons on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. Now when you see power, you want to go make sure it's toggled to the on position. And then once you're done with that, you just close out of here and it should resume its rightful place down your taskbar. And if it's an icon in your hidden icon area, you can always click this little up arrow. You can always drag it over to your system tray. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.